Maybe can you give Josie a besito? Give Josie a besito?
No sé. A ver, ahora.
So Josie say hi, Neve.
Understand our first look.
I bet you can't look eyes.
Does a glove? Does a glove? 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 Does he like a glove?
She likes the glove? He's talking to you. Hey Neve, where did you take your nap today?
She make us take a nap.
Did you take a nap in your crib?
Yeah.
You did? No, where did you take your nap? In what? Say it louder.
Bed, go bed.
Oh.